She's a celebrity.
No,
Hey, yo,
training. She
straight
don't
up.
need no training. She's a
Tell her,
celebrity.
who is she? Who is she?
That is Dark Matter.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
don't need training. She a celebrity. That's it. Bottom line. Yes. Tiffany Shanae said so. BFF.
Tiffany Shanae. So
All
I guess
day.
I could give you. Make sure you hit me on the Facebook friends
All day,
request.
definitely,
All right.
definitely.
I got you.
Check it.
What's
Oh
good,
my
Dark Matter?
Say ting.
Hey, what country you from, Dark Matter?
I'm Guyanese.
You from Guyana? Let me see. Let me see the Black Beauty. Come on now. Stop playing. Stop playing.
Darkness there.
Black Beauty in the face. All right, but you're gonna take a picture with me, right? Yo, you a celebrity. Before you leave? All right, say hi at least.
Hilarious.
Go on now. Yeah, I seen her from inside.
That is hilarious.
Yo, the last picture she uploaded called Blackness, right?
Uh-huh.
The whole photo was red, so I just put redness on the comment. You remember that, Darkness? Huh?
I do.
Oh, yo, I can't believe she camera shy, yo. The word Guyanese. I bet you if I had a roti or something, right?